Hey guys, welcome to another video. So some of you who follow me on Instagram know that I am opening up a spa slash salon, and I'm in the process of getting everything ready for said spa salon. So I'm gonna take you guys with me and kind of show you my progress. I really want to document this because it's a very special time in my life. I have no idea what I'm doing. So although I have no idea what I'm doing, it'll be nice to document it. So if any of you decide to do it, you can learn from my mistakes. So I'm on my way to the spa now. I partnered with an esthetician slash masseuse. Her and her husband are primary owners of the spa, and partnering with them with a suite slash, just kind of like a partial management of the spa. So very exciting. I don't think I was ever even, I just had no time to really do an update as far as graduating from esthetician school and things like that. But I do have I do have a video that I think I made, so I will make sure I post that just to give you an update on that. So anyways, a lot of you have been reaching out to me just about, my journey with being a pharmacist and esthetician. So, hopefully you guys can watch my journey and kind of, learn what I'm doing and, follow those footsteps. But anyways, I'll stop talking and I'll be back when we actually get to the spa. Okay, so we are in my suite. There's a couple of things that I want to patch up with paint, so I'm not going to really be able to, I wanted to screw in the doorknobs, the pulls for here, but I'm gonna have to, you see this spot here, these were a wood laminate, and I painted them white because I wanted it to be all white. So there's a couple of touch-ups I need to do. Let me see. I won't worry about the inside, and I think I want to touch that up, and here. So there's a bunch of touch-ups that I need to do. And then here on the side, I don't know if you can tell, but the discoloration, I accidentally got some of this color paint on this, and it's a different color, so I want to go over that as well. And then just some spots in here. I mean, it doesn't have to be perfect, but I want it to look as best as possible. So these walls were all gray before, and as you can see, they're all white. I still need to get the tape off of the ceiling, so I'm gonna get that done. I got these 4 lights installed so that I can dim them when I'm seeing clients. So you see that? Oop. So there's different dimming settings, so I'm excited for that. Yeah, there we go. So yeah, so let's see, what else did I do? So, and I also want to do a backsplash on this wall here. So I'm gonna do a backsplash, nothing too fancy. Yeah, so that's that. This is the paint that I used. It's latex paint. And then I used this Bear paint for the walls. And yeah, so I pretty much have done all of this myself. I'm gonna clean the grout as well. I think today I'm gonna clean the grout, and then so I can start moving in my furniture. But yeah, so more to come, stay tuned. grout. I have an obsession with cleaning grout. So I got this Grout Ease cleaner. I use it for my house. It's amazing. And I'm gonna let it sit for 10-15 minutes and then I'm gonna scrub this brush. All right, so I have everything applied to the floor. That's a nice before. Let's see how. Hey everyone, I'm back at the spa. It is, man, it has been probably 2 days or so. It's Saturday morning. I have my caramel macchiato to get me going. So I'm gonna go check out how the floors came out after I cleaned the grout. I'm not going to be too obsessive about it. So I'm gonna see how the floors came out. And then I'm going to check out the touch-up that I did for the paint. I'm obsessing over the paint. I have another can of a semi-glossy, so I might test it out on like the side to see if I like how it looks, and then maybe go over them one more time with a semi-gloss. And then I can come back and get put my pull handles on the cabinets. So so I'm gonna go assess and see. My goal is to really get this done by this week because the grand opening is fairly soon, and I need to get prepared and I need to stop BSing. So, all right, let's see. Hello, hello. These are our grand opening signs. A little bit of what's done here. Okay, so the floors look decent. The grout was really black, and now I'm pretty sure that's the color that it's supposed to be. So I'm pretty happy with how it looks. Let's try to compare. Like you see over here how it looks really dirty. I'll take it. I can always do another grout cleaning. I definitely need to get some of this paint off of the floor. Let me check out my paint job. I did miss a spot over there. I'm so upset about that, but it looks good overall. I don't know if I should just go ahead and put the pulls on or try to go over with some semi-gloss, because at this point it's getting a bit ridiculous. And then I went over that spot on the wall, so it looks much better. And I kind of tried to go over here, but I didn't have the right paintbrush. But like I said, I shouldn't really be obsessing too much over it. But a thing I also did was I put that gold plug frame, I guess you can call it. I replaced the other ones because they were like really yellow. Got that one there. So yeah, so overall, I would say it's a masterpiece, if I don't say so myself. All right, so I'm so proud of myself because I've been trying to get this soap dispenser off. So I literally got the screwdriver and got this thing off, so kudos for me. So I finished painting the cabinets. I just went ahead and did the glossy, the semi-gloss. It looks actually really good, and I was able to touch up some of the spots. I got that soap dispenser off and painted the wall. And I scraped most of the paint off the floor. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to mop the floor. I'm gonna leave for a few hours, let everything dry, put the pull handles on, and try to do the backsplash. So yeah, so it's coming. Oh, and then I have to get that, let me see if you can see, off the roof. I have to get that that tape off. So that's another thing I have to do. And yeah, and then we'll see. Hey guys, so I am back at my suite in the spa. So yesterday I did the repainting of like the spots that I missed, and I also just kind of did like a light second, not second coat, but I did a light coat of semi-gloss paint. I had just like a flat white. So I did that, and I actually really like how it came out. So I'm finally done painting. I really don't care if I even find any more spots, because I really just need to kind of let it go, stop trying to be a perfectionist when it comes to that. So right now, my plan is to put on the pull handles for the cabinets. So this is the pull handle that I got. I got this from Amazon. I tried going to Home Depot first, but they didn't have like the specific size. So I needed like a 4-inch from hole to hole. So I got that from Amazon, came like in 2 days, and I wanted it to be either I wanted it to be like a gold or a champagne. This color is considered like a bronze champagne, so it's really close to what I was looking for. So hopefully once I put everything together, it's gonna look good. So I'm gonna get started. I'm excited. I'm so excited because this is like, let me see, because this is like the step I've been waiting to do for like weeks. Literally weeks. All right. All right, so now I am I'm done applying the handles. So now I'm going to try and apply the backsplash. They're they're just stickers, so it should be relatively easy. I'm going to stick it here. So wish me luck with that. It's peel and stick wall tile, and I got this color because it matches with the brown here, and just has like little splashes of pink. But I think it matches pretty well. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get started, and we'll see the result. I just finished putting the backsplash on. It took about, I'm gonna say it took about maybe an hour, because I had to cut certain pieces, like where the plugs are. I had to like custom cut that, and then I had to like figure out the top, and then, you know, I had some trouble getting it to be straight, but I did my best. So let me just get a little closer so you can see a little close up. I think it looks good for me doing it by myself and not knowing what I'm doing. And I think it matches, so I'm really excited. So yeah, so after this, I did scratch the countertop a little bit, so now I have to get something to repair that. I think the next thing I need to do is remove that tape from the ceiling, and then just start moving my stuff in. So, and I'm thinking maybe I should get a new sink, but I don't know, we'll see. So yeah, I'm really excited because I've been putting this off for such a long time, and the grand opening soon. So I'm excited that I'm like hitting this milestone, and we'll see. So I think tomorrow I'll bring in all the stuff and set up the bed and set up the sign and all that other good stuff. So, and then I need to change my doorknob. So yeah, so I will be back with another video with an update to the room reveal. Thank you for watching.